So I walked into my local Goodwill today and, as I usually do, headed straight for the technological devices section. And sitting on the very bottom shelf, stacked on each other, were these two Xbox 360s. Now, from the moment that I stepped into the door, they were calling my name, and it would have broken my heart to have left them in the wasteland that is Goodwill. So in today's video, we're going to be testing them and restoring them, I think. So let's go over this first Xbox 360 Slim here. Now, it does not have a drive in it, which doesn't surprise me. I've never come across a single one of these that had a drive in it. Overall condition, it's good. It's got spit on it and it's pretty dusty. Sounds like there's a disc in it. Let's get one of these controllers. This one has batteries are already in it, but they're dead. Well, that's what's in it. Free copy of SmackDown vs. Raw 007. I think it works. Yeah, it looks like 2012 was the last time this thing was played. That would mean this was only played for a year. Well, that's that for that one. Console number 2 is in about the exact same condition. They're not that bad, they just need a good cleaning. The warranty stickers on both are intact, and this one does not have a hard drive either. Well, no free game in that one. It looks like this one's been reset. All right, no need to test it any further. It works. I think that's all the testing we need to do, so let's get to refurbishing them. And the controllers too. So here they both are. They've been cleaned and I tested them. I was just playing Project Gotham Racing on them probably about an hour ago, and it runs great on both of these. There was no problems with the controllers or the disk drives or anything. Both run a little bit hot compared to my original fat Xbox 360. I don't know if that's normal for these. I doubt these were ever moved very much. I mean, the one from what I could find, was only used for about a year. And then the other one I don't really know because it was wiped. But yeah, here they are. 2 Xbox 360s with the controller and a single power brick pulled from the shelf of a Goodwill, working, cleaned, and restored, looking as good as they can. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of stuff, restoring old tech, then be sure to be subscribed because there will be more of it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.